નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello, dear students, Standard 3rd, Subject English Grammar. Today we will learn chapter number 5, Punctuation. Today, let's start our new chapter. Hello, dear student, Standard 3rd, Subject English Grammar. Today we will continue our chapter number 5, Punctuation, right? तो आज हमें एक्सरसाइज ए कंटिन्यू करनी है. ऑन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैड लर्न द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द पंक्चुएशन मार्क, राइट? लेट्स रेफर फास्ट ऑन द फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द प्रीवियस वीडियो. वी हैड लर्न कैपिटल लेटर्स, देन फुल स्टॉप, एंड वी यूज कोमा वेयर वी हैड लर्न ऑन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, राइट? एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क, and last was exclamation mark. So children, now let's start our exercise A. So children, please open your grammar text, page number 15, and let's read the heading of the exercise A. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and punctuation marks, right? So here are the sentence of it. We have to write their answers with using proper capital letters and proper punctuation mark. जो हमें सेंटेंस के अनुरूप हमें लगता है वही हमें पंक्चुएशन मार्क रखने हैं, और जहां जहां पे हमें कैपिटल लेटर्स की जरूरत होगी वहां पे हमें कैपिटल लेटर्स रखते जाना है, राइट? ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर नंबर 1. Let's see the first example for it. What a lovely cake, right? There is the example. So what is the question word, right? So there you can see, when we are starting the first letter of the question word, we had used W capital on the sentence, right? तो आप देख सकते हो W हमने कैपिटल किया है. What a lovely cake as it is, or what a lovely cake, what it is sounding, it is wow, what a lovely cake, like a exclamation, right? वहां पे एक सरप्राइजिंग आपको दिख रहा है, सेंटेंस में ऐसा एक फील बाहर आ रहा है, राइट? तो हम क्या करेंगे, दिस व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन वर्ड, लेकिन यहाँ पे पूरे एक्सप्रेशन, उसकी जो फीलिंग्स होती है पूरी चेंज हो रही है, राइट? तो इसके कारण हम क्या करेंगे, व्हाट अ लवली केक, इट्स अ एक्सक्लेमेशन, वी विल यूज द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क ऑन द एंड ऑफ द इट, राइट? ओके, the example is now complete. Now let's start our exercise number 1. My birthday is in August, right? Here you can see I had prepared sentences for you and you have to help me to how to answer it, right? Okay. My birthday is in August. So children, when we are starting our sentence, we have to put capital letter, right? So let's write M capital, right? My. My birthday is in. This will come as it is. ये जैसा है वैसा ही यहाँ पे आएगा, same as it is, right? My birthday is in. Now you can see August month name, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे, कैपिटल AUGUST. My birthday is in August. This is the simple sentence. That's why we will put full stop on the last of the sentence, right children? Okay, now let's start our second sentence. The Hungry Caterpillar is a book by Eric Carroll. Now first thing हमें क्या चेंजेस करना है, कैपिटल लेटर. T will be capital on first. The Hungry Caterpillar, ये एक बुक का नाम है. क्या है, बुक का नाम. तो हमने पहले प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने देखा था जहाँ पे बुक के नेम्स आते हैं, फिल्म के नेम्स आते हैं, तो वहां पे हम क्या करते हैं, वी विल राइट द कैपिटल लेटर ऑन द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. HUNGRY, Hungry Caterpillar, PILLAR, The Hungry Caterpillar. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो हंग्री कैटरपिलर एक बुक का नाम है, राइट? तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको कोमा से हम राइट डाउन करेंगे, राइट? दिस इज द मेन बुक का नाम है, इसलिए इज अ बुक is a book as it is. The Hungry Caterpillar is a book by. Now यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज द राइटर नेम. किसका नाम है? जिसने बुक राइट की है, राइट? तो हमें उसका नेम है, तो नेमिंग पीपल के नेम के आगे हम क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल. दैट्स व्हाई ERIC. E will be capital and this is the surname. That's why we are putting capital on that also. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, The Hungry Caterpillar is a book by Irk Carroll. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल सेंटेंस है, इसलिए हम फुल स्टॉप रखेंगे, राइट? We will put the sign of full stop on the end of this sentence. Okay, children? Now, number 3. We are going to travel to England, France and Ireland next summer. So children, first change is, this is very simple and this will, please don't forget capital letter on the first. We are, as it is, we are going also same as it is, to travel to. Now England country name, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे? E capital, okay? ENGLAND, England. Now we have to put separate words. England and France, दोनों कंट्री के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो हमें इनको सेपरेट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? कोमा. We will use comma sign on the middle between of two words, right? So England and France. So France is also the country name. That's why we will put F capital, France, and now you can see Ireland. Ireland का I भी capital हो जाएगा, right? IRELAND. Ireland. Next, summer. MER, summer, right? Okay, so here you can see we are going to travel to England, France and Ireland next summer. This is also the simple sentence. That's why we put full stop on the end of the sentence, right? हम यहाँ पे full stop रखेंगे, right? ओके, तो हमने चेंजेस कौन से किए? कैपिटल लेटर का कैपिटल एंड कोमा एंड लास्ट में हमने फुल स्टॉप राइट डाउन किया, राइट? सो हियर अवर 1, 2 and 3 sentences are complete. Now let's continue with number 4. Now children, number 4 is, hooray shouted the children and clapped their hands. So children, here you can see hooray. जब हम बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते हैं, राइट? चिल्ड्रन बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश है तो हम करते हैं ना हिप हिप हुर्रे. हाँ, तो सेम एज इट इज, हुर्रे इज अ साउंड व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी, जो हमारे एक्सप्रेशन निकलते हैं, राइट? तो हुर्रे वही साउंड करता है. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? हुर्रे, H विल बी कैपिटल, OORAY, हुर्रे. नाउ वी विल डू एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, राइट? ओके. And look at here, hooray, we will put comma here and next shout. So SHOUTED, shouted the children. This will come as it is, right? Hooray shouted the children and clapped, PPED, clapped their hands, right? As it is. Sorry, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ their hands. This is the simple sentence. Shouted the children and clapped their hands. That's why we will put full stop at the last of this sentence. 5 we will start, right? Okay. What is your name? So first we will put W capital and this is the question word. That's why we will put the end of the sentence question mark. We had put two changes in this sentence, capital W and the question mark. Now number 6, M will be capital Mr. Jackson. Jackson is the name, that's why capital J. Jackson has got a big new red car, right? The simple sentence, that's why we are putting full stop on the end of this sentence. Mr. Jackson has got a big new red car, right? So children, we had completed number 4, 5 and 6 in this section. Now let's continue with number 7 and 8. So now children, let's start number 7. Alice visited Norway and Japan with Mr. Paul. So children, first changes we are doing, that is the capital A. Alice, A-L-I-C-E, Alice visited, as it is Norway is the country name, that's why we will put N capital, and as it is Japan is the country name, that's why we are putting J capital, with Mr. M capital and Paul, P capital, right? And this is the simple sentence, that's why we were putting full stop end of this sentence. Alice visited Norway and Japan with Mr. Paul. Okay. Now next is, the Taj Mahal is one of the most famous monuments in India and many tourists come to visit it. So first changes we are doing, capital T, right? The capital Taj Mahal is the place, right? That's why we are putting T. Taj Mahal is one of the most, most famous monument. Do you know the meaning of the monument? जिसको हम स्मारक कहते हैं. तो ऐसा एक मेमोरेबल एक प्लेस होता है, राइट, जो बहुत ही यादगार होता है. तो आपने ताजमहल तो देखा ही होगा, राइट? ओके, तो ये क्या है? मोन्यूमेंट्स एक स्मारक है. स्मारक, स्मारक इन इंडिया. इंडिया इज द कंट्री. हम कहाँ पे रहते हैं? इंडिया में, राइट? तो इंडिया इज द कंट्री, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर पुटिंग आई कैपिटल. आई, इंडिया, and many tourists come to visit it. This is a simple sentence, that's why we are putting full stop on the end, right? The Taj Mahal is one of the most famous monument in India and many tourists come to visit it. Right children? So we had completed our 1 to 8 sentences, and now exercise B. There is also some changes, right? Let's see it. Exercise B में आपको rewrite the paragraph using the capital letters and punctuation mark. आपको rewrite करना है capital letters और punctuation mark को, और paragraph rewrite करके नीचे यहाँ पे लिखना है, right? Here you have to write it. You can do at your homework, right? आपको ये homework में complete करना है.
Thank you for joining us.